Conserve and boil all tap water until further notice. If you need assistance, call the Sheriff's Office at 406-346-2715. We do not know when water will be restored at this time. Crews are working on it. The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following areas. Louisiana, at 1:47 p.m. on June 13, 2024, effective until 6:47 p.m. Tangipahoa Parish, Louisiana State Police have issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Tangipahoa Parish Sheriff's Office for 3-year-old Aaron Brunnett and 6-year-old Jolly Brunnett, who have been abducted. The children were last seen at 56044 and Cooper Road in Loranger. They were abducted before 8 a.m. this morning. Erin Brunnett is a white female with brown hair and brown eyes. She is approximately 3 tall and weighs about 32 pounds. It is unknown what type of clothing she was wearing when she was abducted. Jolly Brunnett is a white female with brown hair and blue eyes. She is approximately 4 tall and weighs about 58 pounds. It is unknown what type of clothing she was wearing when she was abducted. An unknown white male is wanted for questioning for a domestic violence incident, which occurred at the time of the abduction and resulted in a homicide. He is believed to be driving a black 2012 Chrysler 200 with a Louisiana license plate bearing 859 GML. There is no hubcap on the back right tire of the vehicle. There may be damage to the rear of the vehicle. The driver of this vehicle is believed to be armed and dangerous. Extreme caution should be used. Anyone with information as to the whereabouts of Erin and Jolly Brunnett should immediately contact the Tangipahoa Parish Sheriff's Office at 985-747-9696 or local law enforcement by dialing 911.
He is believed to be driving a black 2012 Chrysler 200 with a Louisiana license plate bearing 859 GML. There is no hubcap on the back right tire of the vehicle. There may be damage to the rear of the vehicle. The driver is believed to be armed and dangerous. Extreme caution should be used. Anyone with information as to the whereabouts of Erin and Jolly Brunnett should immediately contact the Tangipahoa Parish Sheriff's Office at 985-747-9696 or local law enforcement by dialing 911.
The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following areas. Louisiana, at 6:06 p.m. on June 13, 2024, effective until 6:21 p.m. LSP cancels Amber Alert. Refer to local media for details.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Louisiana beginning at 6:06 p.m. and ending at 6:21 p.m. LSP cancels Amber Alert. Refer to local media for details.
Alerting system.
Water spout watch in effect. For Strait of Georgia, conditions are favorable for the development of water spouts. When the remainder of today, tonight, and throughout Saturday, where the Strait of Georgia and Howe Sound hazard, wind speeds inside the spray ring of the water spout can be 45 knots or higher. Keep in mind that water spouts cannot be seen at night and may strike suddenly. Keep in mind that water spouts cannot be seen at night and may strike suddenly. Waterspouts sometimes appear as funnel clouds with swirling water visible near the surface. If waterspout activity becomes more frequent, a special marine warning may be issued. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. For more information, monitor Canadian Coast Guard radio or weather audio stations. Messages from Environment Canada at 5:57 p.m., June 14th, 2024, effective until 9:57 a.m., June 15th, 2024.
Saturday, June 15th and ending at 12:45 a.m. Sunday, June 16th. Update Level 2 get set evacuation notice. Level 2 get set for residents of Zilla, WA and around the Rattlesnake Ridge area. Have your family and pets ready to leave. Move emergency supplies and belongings to your vehicle. See https www.facebook.com/yakimacquintium/ for evacuation boundary. Evacuation zone, Bean Road and Houghton Road. Heading north over Rattlesnake Ridge Highway 24. Then east on Highway 24 to Highway 24 and Highway 241, Silver Dollar. Then south on 241 to Houghton Road. Then west on Houghton Road to Bean Road. The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Yakima, WA, beginning at 10:01 p.m. Saturday, June 15th and ending at 1:01 a.m. Sunday, June 16th. Evacuation notices removed for North Camas Road fire and residents in the Wapato, WA area. Residents may stay in or return to the area. All evacuation notices removed for North Camas Road fire and residents in the Wapato, WA area. Residents may stay in or return to the area.
This is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the Bandera County Sheriff's Office. The Bandera County Sheriff's Office is searching for missing child Savannah Cardenas, 15 years old, white, female. The missing child was last seen at 6 a.m. on June 13th, 2024 at 191 West Loop 1604 South, San Antonio, Texas 78245. Police are looking for an unknown female, 45 to 50 years old, with blonde hair in connection with the abduction of the child. The suspect is believed to be driving a silver Ford Fusion bearing unknown license plates. The suspect was last seen in San Antonio. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information on this Amber Alert, please contact the Bandera County Sheriff's Office or call 911.
The civil authority has issued immediate evacuation notice for the following counties or areas. Sonoma, California, at 7:07 p.m. on June 16th, 2024, effective until 7:22 p.m. This is a Sonoma County emergency message. The Sonoma County Sheriff's Office has issued the following for residents and businesses due to fire. Evacuation order for Zone Santuy 2. Evacuation warning for Zone Santuy 3. Repeating. Evacuation order. Zone Santuy 2. Evacuation warning. Zone Santuy 3. If you are in an evacuation order zone, quickly and calmly evacuate. If you are in an evacuation warning zone, prepare to leave. Be ready to leave if an evacuation order is issued. Gather essential items now to be ready to go. If you feel unsafe, do not wait for an evacuation order. Leave immediately. Check with your neighbors to ensure they have been made aware of this alert. Monitor local media and social media and Nixle alerts for updates. Do not call 911 for information. Call 911 only if you have a life-threatening emergency. You may also go to www.socops.org for more information.